not a fictional tale, this shit real. We was sitting in the bookings, charged direct sale. Third shootout, we was fighting for position. Shell cases out my 9, flying through your mama kitchen. Paper we stack it, pistol we pack it. You fuck around, we blow the heart out the back of your jacket. Bitch, get down or lay down. My work was at Josh Script, he got back, now he lieutenant. So he sit there and watch. I swear to God, I think I had the same vision that Ken had. Woke up, said, we gon' turn them corners to Baghdad, yeah. We was young, but we had guns, we started jokesing niggas. All you heard was boo-boo fucking with them Brooklyn niggas. I had some frame schemes, call the wall thoughts. Start shooting, I bet I clear off the ball court. I want it all, that's just how I fucking feel, boy. Get in the way, you gon' take your trip to Gilmore's. Consist of big bags of bread and some coke, nigga. You can get with the program, fam, or get smoked, nigga. We was a school of sharks, a bunch of young soldiers. Open your head when you're half dead, I say I told you. On the island, got that burner, got the flame going. A couple niggas got blown, I got my name known. Over the phone, soon as I'm home, the game's on. I got connections, look bitch, I'm connected. And I ain't giving niggas no passes, so respect it. I'll get dealt with, I'll break you off proper. You ready to die, huh? Too much Big Papa. Easy, nigga chiller get laid out. I put a hole in you, then find out what your gang bout. I do my dirt, I'm hardly ever by my only. I got that tech with that cooling system on me. You think you want it, you don't want it with me, homie. We stack your paper till we strong, then we taking over. Grab a gap, bring the crack back with baking soda. Bridge the gap, get slapped, act like you know us. The North Pole, now South Side, produce the colas.
Yo, fear's a sign of respect, that explains my lack of connects. Half of my peers ain't willing to spar, the other half of them stressed. All I'm seeing is calves and elbows, they're holding ass with the best. Most a lot of prolific killers, I'm rolling back in the flesh. Stranger new shit, it was cool warrants, calm reactions at best. To the naked eye, I'm possessed with a little dash of Tourette's. When it's time to hang this up, hope that I don't have no regrets. When I'm okay, I'm uncontainable, psychopath when I'm dressed. They like the ignorance more, no apologies as I regress. Toast to the trouble, open door policies for the rejects. Blue hat or overseas flex, since your white tee was 3X. Quadruple zeros, the only way I've been G-checked. Part of the upper echelon, never seen when my neck was warm. Peasant swarm, and I weather storms, dangerous when in desperate form. From where the best was born, sorta like China, check LeBron. Chester Cron in a restaurant, weapon armed, Decepticon. Everything is strange now, time that we have a talk again. Nothing that you don't work for is given. Feel like we all can win. Niggas on their toes, feeling energy when I'm walking empty sources in. Heard they went cold, there's no remorse for them. Everything is weird now, it's time to lay down and talk for them. We fought to win, sometimes the pressure's better, it all depends. Niggas on their toes, feeling energy when I'm walking in. Resources in, heard they went cold, we got this out for them. They know me, words of my will, ink and a notary. Connecting all of these dots, looks like the link on the rosary. Trails leading the bad blood, trying to line me supposedly. Drum rolls for free, late model, all of the things you could have chose to be. 5 volumes of super gas, this is a game of who can last. Lucky to get a stupid pass, shoot your ass in a Gucci mask. Floors like my recouping pass. I'm still electric as ever, your favorite's losing gas. 100K in my
yeah, yo, listen, I don't play with the snakes in the grass. Paid for my mistakes I made in the past. Everybody ate when I came with the cash. At least I try to ride the wave till it crashed. Same wood on the gun handle was on the dash. All the hoods that sun ran through was on smash. They can't identify you with a mask. And the Bible will tell you nothing is gonna last. The name of the game, survival. You make it alive when you ride through, they make it a rival. My boo is gon' ride, you know I'm gon' ride too. Make it every day, I'm gon' try to. Let's go. Yeah, yo, I try to tell niggas I'm willing to blast for it. I only try to give it to niggas that ask for it. Got them things on the scale, I'm still weighing them. Thought my dues was paid, I'm still paying them. Couple Eleanors in the goose, I'm still paying them. Semis and the fullies, know that the truth stay with them. Wolves and gorillas is loose, so don't play with them. Something's holding them back, nothing that you can say to them. Pop champagne with Biggie at the Palladium. Put the
Drug the line dealer, Jesus won't heal her. Crunk, you sick, fuck the fat enough creature. Only on Sunday, gather the feast Sunday. The town people go weak at the knee. The freak at the car, wait in line for about an hour. See my house, yeah, it's made of fucking cake. The walls, the floors, the halls, I've even got a leg. Yeah, pop back, evil, it suffered the mind. Thinking I'm out of the light, children don't tell that they shine. Catching the wind on a chai, being that fat is a crime. Oh well, there goes your skin stretching all over your thighs. First you gon' tell me I lied, then you go home and you cry. Eat a tub of whatever suits you and then cover the die. Cover the die. Cover the die, the die, the die.
I don't wanna tell you about a feeling you drunk. Take off. I don't wanna tell you about a feeling you drunk.
I'm seeing you operate. I'm seeing you seeing me too. And I like all the ways you shake, and I can relate to the ways you move. So come on into my habitat, or we can meet up anywhere you choose. Anytime we can interact, I'll be down with that to connect to you. We got it good. We got it good. Good connection. Got a good connection. You move so genuine, true love, no ballyhoo. And I'm keeping an open line to connect the dots from me to you. You got me under your fingertips, and you can have me any way you choose. And you got what I can't resist, and I'm into this to get close to you. We got it good. We got it good. Good connection.